Go ahead, give it a boot. Yep. There we go, right in. It's very satisfying too, right?
I love doing that.
Yeah. All right, so this house is effed up. Whew. Do you think people live like this in other countries? I mean, this is one I don't want to fix, I can tell you that right now. So we need to look at our numbers on this one.
This one under contract?
No, we're about ready to.
Is she talking numbers?
She's talking free.
Oh, really?
Yeah, she owes 30-something thousand on it. We need to get the letter of authorization. So what, a 2-bedroom or 3-bedroom, or is this 1 bedroom downstairs and 2 upstairs? Is that what it is? Doesn't smell too bad. Man, this house is trash, Becky.
I know, that's why I called and had them come and to board it up. And then it didn't help that the people were breaking into it, stealing it, and tearing it up, so.
Were they meth heads?
Yeah, they were tweakers that lived where he's fixing his house up right there. He's having to redo that entire house.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That sucks to live next door to somebody like that.
Yeah, they ripped the meter off the wall and took the electricity up illegally, so that's why I started calling. Yeah, I had to call them because I just got tired of it. And yet this is the first time I've ever seen the side of this house. They literally did a great job cleaning this yesterday.
Oh, it just happened yesterday?
They just came yesterday. Whoever it is supposed to be boarding it up, I guess. They had to peel all that stuff out so they could get to the windows. And I guess they're waiting on an asbestos check or whatever before they can board up the side here. Good luck with that.
I mean, this is what we do. Everything we walk into is something like this.
But yeah, that has a lot of water damage. I know they had a water leak, and we had one of the guys from church go over there to try to help them fix the water leak. But it was so bad, and they had so much stuff in there.
Yeah, it's full. It's like somebody just tore up everything. It's like literally.
Tweakers probably.
Oh yeah, they're tweakers 100%, I can tell you that.
Yeah, they stole the air unit that was up there.
Man. Yep, all right. Appreciate it. So we're just on this one, before we go into that whole situation, we're gonna comp it first. See what we're dealing with before we even, because I mean, that's at least a $50,000, $60,000 rehab. I don't wanna chase it if it's not worth it.
Right.
All right, see you later. You too.